ChemDry, the world's leading carpet and upholstery cleaning company, recognizes that you want a safe, clean, and healthy environment for your customers and employees. With half the workforce taking up to 5 sick days each year and $530 billion in productivity lost annually due to worker illness, maintaining a healthy workplace can mean not only healthier employees, but a more productive business. That's why your carpet is too important and too valuable an asset to leave to janitorial cleaning services. When you partner with ChemDry for your carpet and upholstery cleaning needs, you can be confident that you're getting the best. Experts in carpet care with an unparalleled network of highly trained technicians across the country, offering the safest and most effective cleaning solutions, our proprietary platinum-certified process and industry-leading equipment, and faster dry times, minimizing disruption to your business. ChemDry has the expertise and equipment to handle any type of facility, from retail to healthcare, offices, places of worship, restaurants, and everything in between. We know that time is money, which is why your business can't wait 24 to 48 hours or longer for your carpets or upholstery to dry after being cleaned. Our proprietary hot carbonating extraction process, certified platinum by the Carpet and Rug Institute, leads the industry. Our low moisture extraction method uses 80% less water than typical steam cleaning, so surfaces dry in 1 to 2 hours, not 1 to 2 days, reducing the risk of mold and mildew growth and the risk of damp carpets causing accidents, like someone slipping and falling. Our green certified cleaning solution, The Natural, contains no phosphates or detergents and doesn't leave behind any dirt-attracting residue. We can even get out the shampoos and soaps other service providers have left behind in your carpets. That means less frequent cleanings, saving you money and protecting your investment by extending the life of your carpets. Our professional technicians will analyze your facility and recommend the best cleaning schedule for you, identifying key traffic areas and building a customized cleaning program that minimizes downtime and maintains a cleaner, healthier space for your customers and employees. As part of our customized solution, we'll also determine if there are any stains or odors that need to be removed and develop a plan to permanently eliminate them. No matter the size of your operation, ChemDry has local operators across our nationwide network to assist businesses of all sizes, from a single location to several facilities across the country. In addition to carpet and upholstery cleaning, ChemDry also offers industry-leading cleaning services for area rugs, ceramic tile, stone and grout, granite countertops, luxury vinyl tile, also known as LVT, vinyl composite tile or VCT, and wood floors. If you're looking for a professional service with local operators and broad coverage that delivers a safer, longer-lasting clean, can extend the life of your carpets, and minimize downtime in your business, call ChemDry. With ChemDry, you can maintain a cleaner, healthier, happier environment for your customers and employees.